Welcome friends, today's topic is concrete and classification of concrete with their advantage and disadvantage. So let's get started. Here's the question. What is concrete, or describe the classification of concrete with their advantage and disadvantage? Here's the answer, and this is the picture of concrete. And this is the picture of mixture of concrete. So these is the ingredients of concrete. This is cement, this is water, this is fine aggregate, the example is sand, and this is coarse aggregate, the example is blue metal. So what is concrete? So concrete is the mixture of cement, sand, aggregates and water. Concrete is the major building material in the construction industry. It can be easily molded into durable structural members. The volume of aggregates in concrete varies from 78 to 66%. In concrete, sand is used as a fine aggregates, whereas gravels and crushed stones are used as coarse aggregates. The cement acts as a binding material which forms a paste with water, and on hardening, this cement paste holds coarse and fine aggregates together to form a solid mass. Concrete can be classified into different categories depending on its density and strength as follows. First point, classification depends upon density of concrete. Second point, classification depends upon strength of concrete. So describe it one by one. First point, classification depends upon density of concrete. Depending upon density, concrete can be classified as A point, normal weight concrete; B point, lightweight concrete; C point, heavyweight concrete. A point, normal weight concrete. In it, normal weight concrete is produced by using natural sand and crushed stone, granite. The density of normal weight concrete is 24 kilonewton per meter cube and is most commonly used for structural purposes. Normal weight concrete carries high compressive strength and low tensile strength. The former is considered as an advantage of this concrete, and the latter is considered as a disadvantage of this concrete. B point, lightweight concrete. Lightweight concrete is produced by using lightweight aggregates such as pumice or pyroprocessed and blotted aggregate. These concretes are used for applications in which the load of gravity is to be reduced. Example, for reducing the load on foundations. The term lightweight of concrete is only used for concrete that weighs less than about 18 kilonewton per meter cube. In general, lightweight concrete is more expansive than ordinary concrete. It also requires more care of mixing, handling, and placing than ordinary concrete. C point, heavyweight concrete. Heavyweight concrete is produced by using high density aggregates. These concretes are used by increasing the weight of a structure for the stability purpose. These concretes are only used when density of concrete is more than 32 kilonewton per meter cube. The most important advantage of heavyweight concrete is the determination of water cement ratio. Second point, classification depends upon strength of concrete. Depending upon the strength, concrete is classified as ordinary concrete, standard concrete, and high strength concrete. The concrete which is having strength less than 20 megapascal is required ordinary concrete. Ordinary concrete, also referred to as normal concrete, is used for most structural work. The concrete which is having strength between 20 to 40 megapascal is called standard concrete, and the concrete which is having strength between 40 to 80 megapascal is called high strength concrete. The high strength concretes are used in the development of modern infrastructures with new innovations, advanced technology, and improved materials. High strength concrete provides superior structural properties, including higher strength, higher stiffness, and better durability. In high rise construction, advantage can be taken of the reduced dead load that allow thinner concrete sections, longer beam spans, and overall a lighter structure. It is known that the permeability of high strength concrete is very low and is also highly brittle with low tensile strength and strain capacities. Typical proportions of materials used in concrete of different grades. This is table of materials: ordinary, standard, high strength concrete. This is further divided in kilogram per meter cube and volume percentage, kilogram per meter cube and volume percentage, kilogram per meter cube and volume percentage. The cement material, and this is 255 kilonewton per meter cube and 8.1% volume for ordinary concrete. For standard, 356, then 11.3, and 510, 16.2. For water, 178 and 17.6, 178 and 19.7, 178 and 17.7. For fine aggregate materials, 829.9, 848 and 31.7, 889 and 32.6. For coarse aggregate materials, 1170 and 43.7, 1032 and 38.5, 872 and 32.5. For cement paste, mass percentage and volume percentage, this is 18, 22, 28 and 25, 30, 35. Water cement ratio by mass, 0.69, 0.50, 0.35. And strength, 15, 30 and 55. So dear friends, this is all about concrete and classification of concrete with their advantage and disadvantage. Write your opinion in the comment section of this video. You can also check the playlist related to construction materials and building materials in my channel. If you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment, and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming construction materials and building materials related videos first. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.